Hello and welcome. Join me on an aerial odyssey above the Hawaiian archipelago, a world born of fire, sculpted by the sea, and alive with breathtaking beauty. From high above, we'll witness the island's diversity, each with its own story and soul. I've composed a deep house chill soundtrack to enhance your journey. Let the music and visuals immerse you. Find a comfortable space, let go, and allow your senses to take flight as we explore Hawaii as you've never seen it before. This is your invitation to feel the spirit of paradise. Our journey begins over Oahu, the gathering place. Below, Honolulu's cityscape meets the turquoise waters of Waikiki, where surfers ride waves as they have for generations. We ascend to the misty Ko'olau Range, emerald cliffs carved by time, hiding secret valleys and waterfalls. Diamond Head's iconic crater stands watch, its arid interior contrasting with lush slopes. Turning north, we soar above the legendary North Shore, where winter swells create colossal curling waves. As the sun sets, we drift over Kaneohe Bay's mosaic of blues and greens, dotted with reefs and the picturesque Mokolii Island. Here, the pace slows, and the island's tranquil beauty shines. Oahu is a place of vibrant energy and peaceful retreat, all in one. Our flight continues, leaving the city behind for nature's grandeur. We cross to Maui, the Valley Isle, shaped by two mighty volcanoes. The road to Hana becomes a ribbon through rainforest, waterfalls tumbling down hidden cliffs. Rising above the clouds, Haleakala's vast crater reveals a Martian landscape of cinder cones and rare silversword plants. Descending, golden beaches at Ka'anapali and Wailea meet sapphire waters, sometimes graced by humpback whales. Iao Valley's emerald spire pierces the mist, its walls humming with ancient energy. The sun sets behind Lanai, painting the sky in fiery colors reflected on calm seas. Maui's diverse beauty, rainforest, volcano, beach, and valley, unfolds in a single, unforgettable panorama. Each view is a testament to nature's artistry. The Valley Isle leaves us with a sense of wonder and peace. Our journey continues across the Pacific Jewels. We arrive at Kauai, the Garden Isle, primordial, lush, and wild. The Napali coast's emerald cliffs rise dramatically from the sea, carved into razor-sharp ridges and deep valleys. Waterfalls plunge from heights, hidden beaches beckon, and Waimea Canyon's kaleidoscope of reds and greens reveals the island's volcanic heart. Mount Waialeale, shrouded in cloud, feeds countless rivers and the shimmering Weeping Wall. Hanalei Bay's crescent embraces taro fields and misty mountains, a scene of harmony between land and people. Kauai's spirit is timeless, its landscapes both powerful and serene. Here, nature's hand has shaped a masterpiece. The Garden Isle is a sanctuary of beauty and legend. Now to Hawaii, the Big Island, a land of creation and extremes. Kilauea's molten rivers forge new earth, steam and gas rising from the planet's core. Mauna Loa and Mauna Kea dominate the skyline, one the world's largest volcano, the other crowned with winter snow and powerful telescopes. Black sand beaches at Punaluu contrast with turquoise waters and resting sea turtles. In minutes, we fly from Hilo's rainforests to Kona's sun-baked lava fields, a dramatic shift shaped by volcanic giants. The Kohala Coast's ancient valleys like Waipio plunge to black sand shores, steeped in history and legend. The Big Island is a place of constant change where fire, ice, and life coexist. Its landscapes are raw, diverse, and unforgettable. Here, nature's power is always on display. We leave with a sense of awe at the island's living spirit. Our flight continues to the next island's story. We cross to Lanai, once the Pineapple Isle, now a haven of secluded luxury and wild beauty. Old pineapple fields fade into rugged wilderness, while Keahakawelo, Garden of the Gods, glows with surreal rock formations at sunrise and sunset. Pu'upehe, or Sweetheart Rock, stands sentinel between crystal bays where coral reefs and spinner dolphins thrive. Lanaihali's Cook pine forests give the island an alpine feel, and from its summit, 5 islands are visible on clear days. Shipwreck Beach's rusting hulk and windswept coast reveal Lanai's untamed side. Here, tranquility and adventure coexist, far from the crowds. Lanai is a hidden gem, both refined and wild. Next is Molokai, the friendly isle, where tradition and authenticity endure. The southern coast's fringing reef protects calm waters, while the north boasts the world's tallest sea cliffs, green walls streaked with waterfalls. Kalaupapa Peninsula, once a place of exile, now stands as a testament to resilience and quiet beauty. Halawa Valley's taro fields and twin waterfalls are a living link to ancient Hawaii. Papahaku Beach's vast white sands offer solitude and raw beauty. Molokai is a place where culture is lived, not performed. Its landscapes are humble, powerful, and deeply Hawaiian. Here, the past and present are woven together. We approach Niihau, the Forbidden Isle, rarely seen by outsiders. From above, its arid landscape and simple village reveal a world apart, where Hawaiian language and tradition thrive, untouched by modernity. Pristine beaches yield the famed Niihau shells, crafted into exquisite lei. The island is a sanctuary for endangered species, including monk seals and native birds. Our respectful distance preserves its privacy and mystique. Niihau stands as a symbol of cultural preservation and natural refuge. It is Hawaii's most enigmatic treasure. Our final stop is Kahulawe, a scarred sacred island of rebirth. Once a military bombing range, its red soil still bears the marks of conflict. Now, restoration efforts bring new life, native plants return, and the land slowly heals. The surrounding waters, protected as a reserve, are a sanctuary for recovering marine life. Kahulawe is a place of spiritual significance, a classroom for healing and hope. Its story is one of resilience and renewal. From above, we witness both scars and green shoots, a testament to human dedication. The island's future is being written by those who care. Our aerial journey across Hawaii comes to a close. We've soared above 8 unique worlds, each with its own rhythm and beauty. Thank you for joining me on this flight. May these islands' spirit stay with you. If you found peace or inspiration, consider subscribing to support more ad-free journeys. Together, we create a quiet corner for wonder and relaxation. Until next time, I wish you peace and the memory of paradise.